We are students from Srinagarindra, the Princess Model School, Phuket, Thailand. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Srinagarindra.
My name is Askara Shapati.
My name is Thanapi Sakpat. And my name is Vachalapong Satyarat.
So today we would like to present the design and study of the effect of Coulomb high model voltages and durations of humidifying, continuing the ability to separate salt from seawater with using an air humidifier by the ultrasonic. Let's start it.
So first, the origin and importance of our project. For the world water situation reports indicate that 1 in 5 of the world population lack access to clean water shortage of drinking water, and half of the world population lack clean sanitary water. In the past, Thailand experienced severe water shortage and floods in the past several decades, and still had a direction and trend that's continued to increase, which had a detrimental effect on the economy and well-being of the Thai people as a whole.
At present, there are three commonly used water purification methods: deionization, desalination, and levels of mercy. With such methods, there are high energy and chemical codes that affect wastewater production. The organizers are interested in studying the operation of the ultrasonic device. Seawater exposed to high-frequency waves from the ultrasonic device will become steam that condenses in the tube to be modeled for desalination that uses low energy and does not use chemical. Object 1. To design a device for separating salt from seawater using an ultrasonic machine. 2. To study the effect of Coulomb high on the separating of salt from seawater. 3. To study the effect of motor voltage on the separating of salt from seawater. 4. To study the effect of the time of turning on the ultrasonic humidifier of the separating of salt from seawater. Express benefits. 1. To guide the development of methods for separating salt and fresh water from seawater in consume less energy and can be applied in real instances. 2. To be an affordable water source that helps reduce the current shortage of fresh water. Methods. 1. Design of desalination equipment for seawater while using an air humidifier. 2. The experiments of spending time requiring desalination of water for the equipment design endpoint.
3. Experiments compare the efficiency of water pump with the water dissipation rate.
The work of ultrasonic gives a high frequency, make water break out and turn into vapor. When it forms vapor, it will occur sodium dissociation. It will trap currents in seawater. There are various elements mixed in, which are not used only by salt. It will get sodium chloride. The water vapor that evaporates will cling together to form water vapor, which is a covalent bond, which has less bonding force between them than sodium chloride, makes the water vapor move higher than salt. We use a 45 centimeters column to separate the salt vapor and water vapor layers. It was found that there was no salt clinging to the front of the pump. Result discussion from experiment 1. We designed a column that was efficient in working and ultrasonic could increase the humidity in the air well, consistent with experiment Mr. Ahmed A. Turab. From experiment 2, the results of suitable height was 45 centimeters that can distill pure water with 0 ppt salinity from 35 ppt salinity of seawater, and the higher column can
While the motor sustain of 6 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt, it was found that the fogging period of 0 minutes gives less steam than that of the misting period of 1 and 3 minutes, which was concentrated with the research on accelerating evaporation of rain in salt farming using an air humidifier nozzle Ronapi, who found that aerosol fog contribute this direction of stream to a better and at the motor sustain of 6 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt. The fogging period of 1 and 3 minutes from the statistical analysis found that there was difference. Therefore, at the motor stand of 6 volt, at the mode efficiency is 1 minute. 9 volt at the mode efficiency is 3 minutes, and 12 volt at the mode efficiency is 3 minutes.
Conclusion from the experiment 1, it can be concluded that the design of the device can separate salt vapor from seawater with using the height of the column, and that the ultrasonic device can indicate the humidity within the column form. Experiment 2, the result of the most suitable height stated at a motor voltage of 5 volts, water 45 cm, and a measure salinity water 0 ppt form. Experiment 3, the optimum motor voltage water 12 volts, distilled fresh water 0.75 plus minus 0.04. The experiment 4, the best period of time water 3 minutes with the motor voltage of the 12 volt, amount of the water obtained 0.75 plus minus 0.04.
Development guideline. First, study the temperature factor in stream distillation. Second, study the appropriate voltage of the motor to absorb stream. Third, design the electrical circuit to have more clarity. Fourth, study size of spectacle and length of pack column on efficiency of condensation.
Thank you for your attention.